Let's make Rakhi for both brother and sister this time. First, let us start with the boys Rakhi. So for this, I'm going to add 4 strips of quilling papers, and the colors are dark cornflower and green apple color alternately. Now I make a tight coil with all these strips, and once they are done, I'm going to make tight coils of the green apple color and make them into a small dome by pushing it from the back side and apply glue to fix the shape. And in the same way, I'm going to push the bigger circle that we made from all the strips to make a slight dome and then apply enough glue on the back side so that the shape is fixed. When they all are done, we can arrange them in the form of a circle. This finishes the center part of the boys Rakhi. And now let's go to the female version. Here again I make a tight coil, but this time I'm going to use 5 strips of the same deep cornflower color and the apple green color. Once they are done, I make a small dome by pushing them in the center and then apply lots of glue on the back side so that I could fix the shape. Then I take half strips of the blue shade and make tight coils. I make so many of them so that they can be attached to the bigger size tight coil that we previously made. I attach them in the lower part of the bigger circle to make them look like a C shape, and I have used 6 of the tight coils. Next, I use a crochet needle and then make a tight ring. These tight rings are the ones which are going to hold the Rakhi threads. So make sure they have enough space in the center but not too thick. I will be needing 3 similar rings to use on both Rakhis. Now I attach it to the top part to the female Rakhi and on both opposite sides for the male Rakhi. I also add another tight coil to the center of the other coil so that it looks even more interesting. And then I take some embellishments which are shiny and add it to the Rakhi. Now for the Rakhi threads, because I don't have any store-bought thread, I am using a woolen twine. For the male version, I will be needing 2 threads. I just make a simple knot using 1 thread and then put a knot on the other end so it is fixed, and I make the same on the other side. For the female version of the Rakhi, I'm going to use both the twines together and then send it through the ring as shown in the video and make a small loop or knot, and then I'm going to split it into 2 halves and make a tie. So the female version of the Rakhi will be like some hanging, and the other one is going to be tied around the hand. If you like today's video, give a thumbs up and subscribe us.